Welcome back. In this video, we are going to be learning how to create a trust wallet and copy your BEp20 USDT address. So first thing to do, you go to this 3 arrow here, 3 dots, click on it, click on extension, click on visit Chrome Web Store. After that, you type in trust wallet. You click on trust wallet and install it. After that, you add to Chrome, add extension. After you installed, you take on a create new wallet. Then you generate your password. Generate a strong password that must contain characters, uppercase, digits, and at least one symbol. Then you create. You confirm. Then you agree term and condition. You next. After agree to term and condition, you say no thanks. Then you open your wallet. Proceed. Got it. I'm ready to use my wallet. Yes. Get started. After that, so now to get your wallet address, to get USDT wallet address, you click on Manage Crypto. Type in USDT. Then you scroll down and click on USDT BNB Smart Check. Click on it. Then you go back and check on USDT BEp20 and click on it. Then click on it. Click on receive. Then before you can receive, you have to back up your secret phrase. Then you continue. Back up secret phrase. To do that, just do this show, input your password. After it shows, you duplicate it like this, duplicate. After you duplicate, wait for it to load. Then you show this, input your password again. Input your password. Submit. After it shows, so you go here. No, now you have to. Then you go back here. Click on proceed. So now to check, you go back here. You have Sport Genius Beach Place 3. You go back here, Sport Genius Beach. And what? Then you go back. Beach Palace 3, of course. Palace 3 of accused arrive answer setup. Accused arrive answer setup. Think I'm Jim and lawsuit. Jim lawsuit. Then click on next. Then you come back I click on USDT, BEp20. You click on it. Click on receive. Then you copy your wallet address or you scan.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an upload.